Hazrat Khalid, the daughter of Khalid bin Saeed radiyallahu anhu, states that she along with her father visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. While she was wearing a yellow shirt, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Sana, Sana, elegant. Hazrat Khalid radiyallahu anha says, in Ethiopian language it is used parallel to Hasana, excellent. Hazrat Khalid further states, I then started playing with the seal of prophethood. My father thereupon reprimanded me, but Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, let her play. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, wear it until it becomes worn out, then wear it till it is worn out, then wear it till it is worn out. Abdullah states that article of cloth lasted for long time until it was discussed due to its being long lasting. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5993.